Guys, everybody on YouTube, we're talking about financial freedom today and how you can retire with your proceeds in cryptocurrency. All of you guys who are members, if you guys are not members, we just released a video on the tradeconfident.io website. You guys do have a little gift box emoji in the description if you guys want 25% off the membership. Listen to what I've got to say here, guys. A lot of you guys are going to hold to this bull market. You're going to hold too long, and you're not going to realize some profits. What I'm going to give you guys today is a fillable spreadsheet. Okay, we are going to go through, and this is what we're going to do. Everybody should be doing this now, and they should start understanding what kind of financial freedom they can come into 2025 and 26, because a lot of emotions are going to get stirred up here as the bull market takes off and it starts going up. The euphoria is going to cause you guys to make really dumb decisions. The emotion that a lot of you guys are going to feel are not going to cause you to sell, and you're going to hold through another 70 to 80% decline in the market, which has happened in the last two cycles. So we're going to take today you guys' principal balance that you guys have in cryptocurrency. We are going to add this to your savings. And I'm actually going to show you guys the two vehicles my financial advisor and I have put together here to actually make, on average, guys, this is not overzealous. As I explained in the YouTube video yesterday, guys, I'm not overzealous by this. I'm actually going under. There's one vehicle that will do about 3.5 to 4% a year. Another one that can do about 28% a year. I know some people, after you guys watch a future forecast, you'll say, Travis, you can easily get this to 32 to 36% a year. I understand that. I want to be conservative so you guys can actually trust me on this, okay? What we're then going to do is I'm going to work with you guys here, is to take your expenses, okay? I'm going to make another little column here. This is going to be your expenses, and we're going to actually find out, based off the amount of cryptocurrency you have now and where the cycle may be ending, do you guys have enough to actually retire with vehicles that have been proven to generate passive income with, I would genuinely say, guys, with less than 2 to 4 hours a month worth of work? What good is it to put your money into these vehicles that can create passive income if you guys are spending 3 to 4 hours a day on it? No, that's not passive. You're still a slave to the passive income. It's not even passive at that moment. So I'm literally going to walk you guys through this entire plan this morning in our membership, and I want you guys to download this spreadsheet, and you guys will actually be able to see right now how much you guys can actually make on a monthly basis. This is what I'm doing, guys. You guys know our portfolio. If you guys are new, you don't know this, but our portfolio has been doing well. We're up over $2 million in profit. Okay, $730,000 is our base principal allotment for this account. Everything over that is profit. This morning, just so everybody knows on here, I won't give away it on here, but I did just buy another $30,000 worth of a cryptocurrency this morning. I was praying with my wife last night. I really feel like the Lord has called me and my wife to purchase this. I do feel prophetically like this currency that I'm going to purchase is going to do very well, and I do think it should be one we hold for the long term. Okay, the last thing I want to show you guys on here before I end, it's not going to be super long today. I'm just showing you guys, please watch that. It will bless you guys. I do feel like, I want to explain this real quick. I feel like what we're coming into in this cycle is, I do believe we're coming into what I want to call for you guys is a utility bull run. And I have been feeling strongly that the ISO coins, and I'm going to label some of these here, XLM, this is XRP, this is Algo, AD, I went over this a little bit in our membership, but I'm going to just do a little highlight here. IOTA, these coins, if they are implemented into the SWIFT system and the banks start implementing ISO 2022 in 2025, which the implementation does go live in 2025, guys. 2023, they were testing it out. 2024, they were doing implementation to see if it would work. 2025 is when this goes live. Okay, I do believe, and I'm feeling like this from a prophetic standpoint. I know that sounds silly to some of you guys, but God is, guys, the best entries we've ever received in cryptocurrency, this bull market, have been from hearing the voice of God. It has not been from our indicators. I want to make that very clear. He's been so generous and gracious to us. We timed the top of Bitcoin dominance into altcoins, I believe, almost perfectly, and I really think he had a hand in that. What I'm going to try to explain to you guys today in the membership is why I believe you may want to start holding some of these for the long term and actually hold it through the bear market, because the utility function of some of these, I'm just going to pick one, like XRP, like XLM, the utility of it will outperform the bear market where normal altcoins and Bitcoin go down in value. And this is a decrease of 70 to 80%. Okay, so my wife and I right now, and I'm leading our members in this, we are building a bag right now of a couple specific altcoins that we think are going to do very well, and we are actually going to put them on a ledger, okay? And I will be walking through our members of how to do that, but This morning, this future forecast, guys, it's all about retirement. Can you or do you have enough in your account where you can retire at the end of this bull market? And when you guys actually see the breakdown here and you see how much you guys have in excess of your monthly expenses, and you guys actually look at the vehicles that I'll be using here, and these are vehicles that have been tested. Okay, like I said, these are not just flippant vehicles. People have been trading this over a decade. Conservatively, guys, this is the most conservative and safest way to make over 15% on your money per year. On top of this, if you guys have been following our trade calls, I want to talk about this real quick. It has been blowing me away how well our trade calls have been doing. We are at 260 wins and 0 losses. So really, guys, I want you to focus on the future forecast because I think that will honestly bless you the most. But on top of that, when you guys do get a membership with us, you guys are going to get all of our trade calls. Okay, there's over 15 trades here with 10% that we've called out lately. And all of these active trades are 10% trades that I do believe could do very well going into the weekend and even into next week. Guys, December is expected to be insanely bullish. I've taught this to you guys before, and I told you guys on a previous YouTube video, if you guys have been following us, we have set up, I'm not going to show it because it's going to show some member-only content, but I'll mock it up here. We have set up a portfolio for ourselves called the Take Profit Portfolio. Guys, if you are brand new, let me walk you through this real quick. If you're looking at this on your phone or wherever, just follow along here. On the future forecast, go down to December 3rd. I'm going to teach you guys how I set this up, what coins I picked, and how I'm doing this. But here's the deal. We built a basket of funds, okay, a basket of basically altcoins. We have been able to take out of this on a consistent basis. Okay, September, we took out $11,000. In November, we took out $13,000. Again, this was over 25%. I'm going to correlate this because some of you guys are like, well, that's a lot of money. No, guys, it was over 25%. In December 3rd, which was just a few days ago, we took out another $12,000, which is over 25%. And we are already 30% of the way to taking out another $10,000 in this account. Guys, I'm telling you, watch December 3rd. I will show you how to structure a portfolio that my wife and I have done, and a lot of people have been blessed by this. One of our members just took out $6,500 last week. Actually, no, it was this week from this strategy. Taking money out on a consistent basis every month and making passive income is what everybody should be doing right now. Because as the bull market continues upwards here, if you're not realizing profits, you're getting stimulated and you're going to hold too long. And so making yourself a passive income strategy that you can realize now, as well as, let's get back to here, a strategy that you guys can implement once the bull market is done, that's what I want to set you guys up with. Because listen, once this becomes tangible and you can realize, okay, if I have this much money in my Coinbase account, I can say when I reach this level with the calculations, I can pay for all my monthly expenses. You may want to take that amount and just say, okay, I'm done at crypto. When you hit, let's say 500,000, when you hit 5 million, when you hit 2 million, 1 million, you're like, I'm done. Just get out of crypto, realize all of your gains, and then get into these vehicles if you choose so, and you guys can start retiring, or you guys can start having passive income, because so many people are going to hold through this bear market again. They're going to lose 70 to 80% of everything, and they don't have a plan. What this does right here, let me circle this. What this does right here is it makes it tangible to say, here is how far and how close I am to actually retiring in this cycle if I implement these strategies. And guys, these strategies have been proven for many, 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 many years. And conservative, when I say, guys, 28% a year, it's not on the high side, okay? Guys, this is going to be one of the best future forecasts and teachings that I can give you guys right now, especially as we head into this bull market. So guys, grab membership. It's in the description. It's on your phone. If you're on your phone, scroll down. There's a little emoji it's a little gift box. Even if you're on your phone, you scroll down, you fill out your payment information, you get the membership, go back onto the website later, watch December 6th. This is how I plan on retiring in 2025 and 26 with altcoins. And then I'm going to show you guys how to actually take passive income out every single month, which we've done 11,000, 12,000, 13,000. And then we're going to do probably we're going to do a double portion in December is what I think. Okay. I love you guys. All the indicators are available as well, which we've used to, accumulate the win rate of 160 wins and 0 losses. I won't go over that too much today, but basically when you become a member with your $65 a month and you'll get 25% off that, we are going to actually just give you right off the bat $150 off on top of the Pro Pack and then $400 off the top and bottom finder, which real quick, these indicators, these are exactly the indicators we use for our trading strategy, which is 260 wins and 0 losses. This weekend, set this up. I want to teach you guys how to do these things because I think if you can learn this, you will be very, very successful in this bull market to come. I love you guys. Watch December 6th future forecast, and I will see you guys in the next future forecast on Tuesday of next week when we show people the retirement spreadsheet and the actual trading view chart of how I plan on exiting all the altcoins this season at peak prices, which has been corroborated by last cycle tops. I'm going to show that to you guys, how we're doing that on Tuesday. I love you guys. Have a good one, and I'll see you guys in the membership. Bye-bye.